let's enter into a time of worship. Worship is your lifestyle. You don't have a time for it. When you are sleeping, you must be worshiping. When you are dancing, you must be worshiping. When you are eating, you must be worshiping. It is your way of life.
Hosanna maombi, haleluya,
I put aside everything. I seek you. I seek you. It is all about you. You see, the more you look, the more you become. Oh my God, is somebody hear me? The more you look at him, you become like him.
Like presence, Lord, all I want is to be with you. It's nothing like your presence, Lord. All I want is to be with you. It's nothing like your presence, Lord. All I want is to be with you.
In your place of worship, there is change. So when you come out of worship, the way you talk must change. The way you act must change, because you have encountered somebody at the altar.